Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Welcome back friends. So today I will be doing in SM clothing haul. SM had a sale last May 17, 18, 19. It was their smack sale. It was a 3-day smack sale yun. Medyo matagal na yun guys. Yeah, medyo matagal-tagal na, but ngayon ko lang ma-upload yung video na to. It's because I already filmed this by the way, but since nasira yung yung external drive ko, kaya everything was vanished. ang tagal ang tawag yun, sumpay ba? Ano ba Tagalog sa sumpay? Basta, ayun, so, I think, I don't know if you have heard me saying that, I think I ranted that on my Facebook that, my external drive, got corrupted. I don't know what happened, but all of a sudden, it decided to stop. So, ayun, marami pa naman akong mga files na nandoon, mga videos, mga pre-recorded videos na nandoon, and oh my god. But there's nothing I can do anymore guys kasi na-erase na siya. So, ayan, wala na tayong magagawa. So, I refilmed this one, yeah, kaya medyo na-late yung video na to. And hindi ko din siya na-film agad kasi sila Sashi may klase pa, so they don't have time to film with me dahon. So, pasensya na guys if this was a little late. Ang plan ko talaga is to upload this as early as I can. So, hindi yan nangyari. Kasi, nagpabadlong ba? Ano ba? Tagalog sa nagpabadlong. Basta, I don't want to talk about it anymore kasi nasi-stress ako. So, let's get on with this haul na lang. So, yun nga, SM Seaside, hindi SM City Cebu, or I think SM Seaside lang. So, yung SM Seaside has a 3-day sale, yung Prestige member, card member, tsaka yung SMAC member nila. So, it was a 3-day sale, and since maganda yung experience namin sa last sale nila, maraming talagang mura. So, we decided to participate on the 3-day sale. So, yun nga, we were happily there. Gusto ko pa sanang pumunta sa 18. I think, pumunta kami sa 17, yeah. I forgot. Pero gusto ko pumunta sa gabi ng 18 tsaka sa 19. But since I was busy that time, so I didn't have the chance na. So, kaya, eto lang yung napamili natin, guys. We were so excited kasi ang daming mura. Tapos, may 50% off na. Tapos, yung sa mga SMAC tsaka Prestige card members, may additional 20 to 10% off, diba, bongga? So, makakatipid ka talaga, guys. So, like we always do, I wanted to do a disclaimer first. This video is a haul video, but it doesn't mean that I am bragging what I have or what I bought. It's just, I just wanted to share to all of you, yung mabibili sa SM. Maybe there are other people na, makakatulong to sa kanila kasi me personally, I love watching haul videos kasi that gives me an idea on where to buy or maganda ba talaga yung sale, especially sa SM stores, maganda ba talaga, hindi ba gina-jack up yung price nila, yun. So, disclaimer lang guys, this is not a bragging video about me buying stuff. Okay? So, on this video, I decided like on my Unitop haul video that I wanted to do a lookbook type of video kasi for me personally, mas maganda tingnan yung lookbook type kaysa yung i-erase mo yung clothes, hindi masyadong nakikita, and then hindi mo makikita talaga how it fits on the body. So, this video is the same with the Unitop one na lookbook. Bas, interesting yun para sa akin tingnan. I hope it was interesting as well sa inyo guys. So before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Subscribe na ko guys para mas marami na tayo.
Wow, namimilit lang.
And what else? Oh yeah, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Kasi sometimes if you are subscribed lang, hindi siya nag-appear sa newsfeed yung bagong video. So definitely hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi. So without further ado, let's get started! So that's all we got from SM. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and also I hope this was also helpful.
Ulit-ulit yung also.
Yun nga. I hope this was helpful to all of you whenever or you hear that SM Seaside or any SM store na may sale. You will be encouraged to go and, participate in the sale. Kasi before ako, I'm not really interested in going to sales here in the Philippines kasi with my experience before, laging, sale nga, pero ginajack up pa naman yung price. But on this one, sa SM store talaga, walang jack up kasi nandun talaga yung original price. And then I also saw that particular clothes talaga or blouse na yun talaga yung price nila, and during sa sale talaga siya, naka-off ng malaki talaga. So I hope really that this was helpful to all of you. So thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile, and hopefully I will see you on my next one. Bye.